Alright. Ready to roll. Here we go. So when this thing was in the water, this was just like freely spinning when I first started getting it going. First time we started it up, works great. Now this just freely spins. See that? No matter what it's in. So, I'm going to take apart the bottom here and see if we can find out what the hell's going on. So this works. This engages. See? Neutral. Forward. Engage. Reverse. This just really goes. Bizarre. So, check this out. Take it off. Little cotter pin on the bottom. Just so you guys know, this is a Chrysler 9.2. It's either 1966 or 1967. I'm not quite sure what year. So, because the placard inside is completely missing. I don't know. So, I'm just kind of winging it. I couldn't find a owner's manual for free, which is what I wanted. Anyway. Alright, so cotter pin's out right now. Right? Got it. Boom. Unscrew. This acts as a castle nut, it looks like. Okay. Wow, that's annihilated. Drive shaft's a little bit, it looks like. So the pin came out. There's supposed to be a little pin in there. Looks like. This whole thing is held on. Looks like some kind of a screw thing. So this drive shaft is held in with a little tiny screw. So it looks like this thing's in pretty good shape. There's a couple little dings on it. Right there's one. All right. Everything seems to be in decent shape. Probably put some oil in there. So a little pin goes in here and then you slide it on. Pin slides in here and then you put this on. And yeah. Line it up, click, and then you put the castle nut deal on. I think it'll be a pretty decent little deal. I mean, the thing runs pretty good. If you saw the last video I made, pretty sweet. There's a couple. Looks like maybe when the pin inside there came out, it might have jacked up the sides. There's a bunch of damage to this little cowling thing. I'll fix that. Maybe just run it off. Oh, twist in there. Aha! See. Spring-loaded little thing here, holding this all together. It looks like. See that? Boom. Looks pretty cool. Little spring-loaded knot lock, kind of like a. Oh yeah. So, this is the damage right here. It looks kind of like the pin that was in there that was holding it in place. Screwed it all up when it came out. So, there it is, dude. It's aluminum. So, of course, if I had a casting situation, I could cast it all, make a new one. But I don't, and this thing's from 1970, 60 something, so who knows? right? Alright. Alright, so shaft's a little bent, so I put a little nut on there to protect it. I'm gonna hit it up nice and easy. Straighten her out. Hopefully it does some work. So helps a little. It's a pretty heavy duty shaft, so let's try it. Yeah, there it went. Well, perfect now. Yeah, there you go. That, imagine that. All right, so we got a little I got a linchpin, right? Where did I put it, dude? Where did I put it? Just had it. Just freaking had it. Linchpin. So, should fit right in this hole. Exact. Please. Should. I mean, it does. It's pretty close. Fits here, great. So, here's the thing. Just look. Fits in there like perfect size, perfect size. And it's just a little bit tight. See? So, this is grade 8 steel, right? So the idea is I put it in here, boom, put this on, line it up, boom, put this on, right? Whatever. Put the pin in. Things should work. Let's hope. So, here we go. So yeah, this isn't gonna work. This little guy right here does not go in these holes. Doesn't fit in this hole, see? It was a good idea. I think the best call now is a spring pin or a tension pin. I don't know what it's called. The thing they use in AR-15s. I don't know. So, go back to the store. Yeah. All right. Here we go. I'm back to the store. Got a, what's it called again? Tension pin. Tension pin, okay. I'm gonna put that in there and try it out. Yeah, I think this is the key here. It looks like it'll fit, it's just, it's tight, you know? Derp it. Come on. I've done this before with some of the stuff I do for work. Put a lot of these in. I used to. We don't really do what I used to do anymore at work, so. Hey man, world moves on. The dude abides. The dude abides. This is not a big enough. Okay. Bigger. Better. Alright. Alright. Oh my god, right now I'm having a major problem. You know what? I put this on first. This. First. First. Come on. I don't understand why they didn't just use a freaking spring lock or spring pin, or I mean, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. It's got a couple holes on the top, and you pull apart, then it snaps back closed. Snap ring. Snap ring. That's what it's called. Wow. Need tiny hands. Need some tiny hands for this. For show. On that for show. Okay. Almost. There she goes. Yeah, that would have been a major big pain if I had done that with that all. Okay. Now, where'd it go? That, this. Yeah, we're good. Hey man. Hey man, we're good. Yeah. Time. It's like I need an extra pair of hands or something, man, you know? Oh, it's in. That's what she said. Okay. It's in there, dude. I need to tap-a-roo now. Okay. Tools. Gotta be like perfect, you know? See what we got. Yeah! All right. Yeah, man. See? Sometimes you get old stuff, you gotta go with it. You gotta run with it, dude. Man, look at that. What? What? Yeah! Stand by. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? Yeah. I lost the pen. And it's gone. There it is. Found it. Okay. This goes in. Something in there. Flush. Okay. There it goes. Bendy. This acts as like a castle pin or a castle nut, so it's plastic. I wish it wasn't plastic, but it is. So that's what it is, man. Is it? 1, 2. There it is, dude. All right. Now let's set you up. I'm gonna set this baby up for water. Neutral, refloating, forward, lock, neutral, reverse. All right. Got it all ready to test. It's all ready to go. We're gonna do reverse, forward, neutral, whatever. But then I gotta adjust this throttle control because it's way off. Here we go. Doing something wrong here. Oh yeah. I took this off. It's not lined up, but we're gonna fix it. Just a few minutes. Okay, here we go. Try again. Died. Let's try again. Kind of warm up, maybe, huh? There's no water left to cool it, so I gotta fill it up again. Super duper. Do it one more time. Seems like it's working pretty good though. Whoopsie! Got a beautiful tundra, got water in it. Oh no. Try reverse now. Try reverse now. I cleaned it up a little bit, as you can see. Just used a scouring pad and some water. Seemed to work all right. I'm gonna probably paint it again, but for now, it's pretty good. Gotta say. Can't believe this thing runs. So stoked, dude. I'm gonna be able to go fishing out in the river, dude. Bring home some freaking. Whoa! Bring home some freaking trout, dude. All right, one more time. Here we go. Throttle. Yeah. Neutral. First. Yeah, dude. Success, bro. Success. Forward and reverse both work great. I cleaned out a little more of that crap that was in there. And maybe I should just run it a little bit. There's a bunch of crap coming out. You can see all the black crap in there. It's probably just built up in there from just sitting for years, you know, so it's ripped apart. So we're out of water anyway, but it freaking works. Now all I gotta do is touch up the boat. I gotta clean it up, gotta bend some bendies out of it, gotta replace the transom. Check that one out next week. All right, man. See you later.